Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another video. This time installing this bomb 613 straight wig that I received from Ashimary hair. I'm also going to be showing you guys some different styles that I did in this hair. This was my first time doing a half up, half down with a bang with curls. Let's go ahead and hop right in, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
You know what I really hate? But y'all not listening to the conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying.
So hopping right into the unboxing with this hair, I would say this hair came really fast. It took about 3 days to come. It came in this really nice aesthetic looking box. I love the color. They sent some wig caps, they sent some eyelashes, they also sent a double-ended toothbrush for the edges, a detangling comb, they sent a small razor for the install, and a really cute elastic headband. They actually sent me 2 of these, so shout out to them for the gifts. And this is how the wig came straight out of the box. This is their 613 blonde highlight 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's 250% density, and I got it in 26 inches. It also comes with 3 combs on the inside, an elastic band, and an adjustable strap in the back to make sure it fits very secure and snug on your head. Hopping into the install, this was just me showing you guys what the wig is looking like again. It did come pre-plucked, and also since it's 613, you don't have to bleach or pluck. I honestly don't really do much to it except put some foundation and concealer on the lace. I did do my ball cap method. Since this is 613 hair, I feel like this helps it melt the best, and you don't have to see the cap through the lace because this is very transparent lace, as you guys can see. I'm showing you guys what it looks like before I cut it, and it's super transparent. So first we're going to start off by cutting the lace. I like to cut around the ears first. This cap was actually a little too big for my head, but with the elastic band and the adjustable strap in the back, I feel like it helped make it a little bit more secure. I do go in with my Bomb Baby, and I apply 2 layers of that, and I just blow dry for 30 seconds on medium warm setting. And then I just apply the section down, and I do that in 3 sections just because this cap was a bit big. I just decided to split it into 3 sections. I also like to go in with my Eben Wonder Lace holding spray as I am gluing down, just because I feel like it helps a lot with the melt. It's just like the glue is one melt, and then the Eben spray is like an extra security melt. And once I do that, I blow dry it, and I put on the headband that they sent with the wig, and this is always going to make your melt look flawless. I decided to flat iron the hair to fix it up a little bit. It did come straight out the box, so I didn't co-wash it or anything. It just looks like this, really nice, full and thick. I'm just loving the texture, I'm loving the color, and I'm loving the fullness and the density of this wig. Then after about 10 minutes, I just went ahead and used that razor that they sent with the gift box, and I cut the lace. And as you guys can see, it's a seamless lace blend. And then I used my wax stick and some edge booster around the perimeter of the hairline, kind of trying to just lay that part of the wig flat down so it looks more like it's coming out of my scalp. And I mainly do this because I don't really like to do baby hair when I do blonde hair, just because it doesn't really look as good in my opinion. I went ahead and took this razor and kind of tried to put some fake layers in the wig. I'm so mad because I lost my razor that is meant for wig layers, so I just had to resort to using the razor that they sent with the wig as well. And then I just bumped the ends, and this was the first look with the hair straightened with bumped ends and some layers in it, and I really liked it, and I need to wear it again. I took some concealer powder and applied that on the part and around the perimeter of the lace just to help it blend a little bit more, and honestly truly I felt like it was blending really good. And yeah, here's that first look down. Ooh, who is she? Oh my god, y'all need this wig. Moving on to the next hairstyle, I just decided to take my wand curler and just put some curls at the end of the hair. I didn't curl like the entire wig, so it's actually crazy. Putting these curls in my hair took like 10 minutes, which is really fast because usually it takes me at least like 25-30 minutes to put some nice curls in it. And then I just used a wide tooth comb and kind of just ran my fingers and the comb through it. I wasn't going for like super coily curls. I was kind of going for more for like loose waves.
I hear you talking about we a lot. Oh, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now.
And afterwards, as you guys can see, I just took that wide tooth comb and ran it through the curls some more, and this was the final results with the curls. I love how this came out. It's so pretty. It's just like the color and the texture and the density just makes me love this wig so much. I feel like blonde is really my color, so this has to be one of my favorite colored wigs, especially because it's not just 613, it's like 613 with highlights.
You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me first. Come and see me first.
Last but not least, I'm going to be showing you guys my half up, half down with this wig install. So I did switch it to a side part here, and I just basically had to separate the wig into 3 sections. The first section is basically the side bang. The second section is going to be the half up, and then the third section is going to be the half down. I was actually really happy because this hairstyle was really easy for me to do, just because I feel like this wig is just super easy to work with. So all I did was just section that half up, and I used my pressing comb and some mousse to flatten it out and kind of mold it into place. And after doing that, I just went ahead and tied that top half section into a high pony. Then I used my wax stick and some more edge styler to fix up my edges and the perimeter of the hair. I did decide to do baby hair with this hairstyle just because I felt like it just looked better in my opinion, and this was the first half up, half down without the curls. I think this is super cute. I think it looks better with curls, but I kind of still just like how this looks overall. I forgot to show you guys me wrapping a piece of the hair around the band to cover it, but hopefully y'all know how to do that by yourselves. And then I just took this bigger wand barrel. This is bigger than the one that I used at the beginning of this video, and I put some loose waves, basically some beach waves in this style, and I also curled the bang as well. And this is how it turned out. Super cute. It was definitely giving Barbie doll. This was honestly one of the cutest half up, half downs that I've done, especially because of the bang. And yeah, I was feeling it so much. I love this hair so much. It's so bomb. Well, overall I give this unit a 8 out of 10 only because there is some tangling and shedding, but since this hair is 613, it's processed, it's not too much of a shock or a surprise. Let me know which look you guys like the most in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video and check the description box for all the links. I'll see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.